So I wanted to show you as a reminder how to use the shimmer brush, or open it and put it together, because I know many of you have shimmer brushes and maybe have not really dived into it or weren't really sure how it works. So let me show you how easy this is and really effective. So this yellow plastic in the middle is actually garbage, so you're going to throw that out. What I like to do is screw the barrel back together, but I pull this off and then I hold it here, okay? So it's nice and tight. That's where you have to tighten it, not with the cap on, because the cap will spin. I like to also brush the head first before I add my glitter. And basically, every time you go to use this, you definitely want to shake it and then squeeze it out. And as you squeeze it, you'll see it starts to come down the barrel into it. So this one's, believe it or not, is avocado, but that was pretty big blush, but I don't mind big blushes. But that is how you do it. And put the cap back on, and I like to store it with the color up. So many now, and they're just beautiful, and they're so easy to use, and they add a lot of color. Let me grab you something I'm going to use. I'll see if I can bring it in a little bit closer. There we go. So if it's too wet, just drag it, and if it's too dry, squeeze it out. You should always do it, on scrap paper first. Check it out for yourself. But I'm just going to color in these leaves. Now I did already stamp this with our espresso dye-based ink, and you could see that it's fine. It's not diluting the color. Sometimes, depending on the color, you want a darker outline when you're going to color in with a shimmer brush. Because if I did this outline in the same color green, it's just not going to be as effective. So if I had used avocado ink for the outline, you probably wouldn't get this kind of a really pretty look. So it does look awesome. So, but you can see it has some shimmer. It's not really focusing, huh? Okay, there you go. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video.